Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to set up ManyChat for multi-step conversations in 2025. Instead of manually building every block, you can now use the built-in AI feature to design complex flows much faster. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account and make sure your page is connected. Step 2. Go to Automation and choose Automate with AI. Step 3. Tell the AI exactly what you want your flow to do, like greeting users, asking what service they want, and giving answers. Step 4. Let the AI generate the flow. It will automatically build the conversation with multiple steps and logic branches. Step 5. Review the flow and make small edits where needed. You can customize the wording, add images or buttons, and adjust timing between messages. Step 6. Save and activate your flow. Now when users start chatting with your page, they will go through a structured multi-step conversation designed by AI. This makes your chatbot smarter and more interactive without you having to build every step manually. And that is it. You just learned how to use ManyChat's AI to create multi-step conversations and build complex flows in 2025. This saves a lot of time and helps you create professional chatbot experiences without heavy manual work. Like, subscribe, and comment for more tutorials.